Welcome to mathematics class. Topic is rational numbers. Let's learn about rational numbers. The numbers of the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, are called rational numbers. The collection of numbers in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0, is represented by capital Q. Example 3 by 5, minus 2 by 9, minus 5 by minus 7, 7 by minus 9 are all rational numbers. Let us understand it by Venn diagram. Here we can see that all natural numbers or counting numbers comes under whole number. All natural numbers and whole numbers comes under integer. All integer, whole numbers and natural numbers comes under rational number. So rational number is nothing but a set of numbers that can be expressed as a quotient of two integers. Types of rational numbers: positive rational number, negative rational number. Rational number is positive if its numerator and denominator are both either positive integer or negative integers. Example 2 by 5, here numerator and denominator both are positive. Minus 8 by minus 5, here numerator and denominator both are negative, but after cancellation of minus sign we can make it a positive number. So both the examples comes under positive rational number. Negative rational number: if either of the numerator or the denominator of a rational number is a negative integer, then the rational number is called a negative rational number. It means if either numerator is negative or either denominator is negative, so both comes under negative rational number. Standard form of rational number: a rational number is said to be in its standard form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1 and its denominator is a positive integer. So for standard form, suppose your example is 4 by 7. We can't cancel out 4 by 7 further. So it comes under standard form and denominator also it should be positive. Representation of rational number on real line. We can represent rational numbers on number line. So for this, first we have to draw a number line. Suppose we want to plot 4 by 7 on a number line. So 4 by 7 is a positive number. So it comes to the right hand side of 0. In this, denominator is 7. So divide 0 and 1 into 7 equal parts, like 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, up to 7 by 7. 7 by 7 is nothing but 1. We have to plot the 4 by 7. So we have to plot like this. Let's understand with one more example. In this we have to plot minus 5 by 6. So it is a negative rational number. So we have to plot it on the left hand side of a 0. Here denominator is 6. So we can divide 0 and minus 1 into 6 equal parts. Afterwards we can plot minus 5 by 6 on it. Let's understand rational numbers and their operations. Addition of rational numbers. There are two cases. In first case, when denominator of a given numbers are equal. Such type of problems already we solved in previous class when we solved for the addition of fractions. When denominators are same, we have to add the numerators. In example, we can see that here the denominator is minus, here denominator both are same, 9 and 9. So simply we have to add the numerators, we can get the answer. Second case, when denominator of a rational numbers are unequal. So for this, first we have to take the LCM of 3 and 4. So LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. In second step, we have to express each of the given rational number with the above LCM as a common denominator. So we converted minus 2 by 3 to minus 8 by 12 and 3 by 4 to 9 by 12. Then after simplification, we can get the answer. In this case, we have to only add the numerators. Subtraction of rational number. For any two rational numbers a by b and c by d, we defined a by b minus c by d. So C by D we can also represent like additive inverse of C by D. Additive inverse of c by d is nothing but minus c by d. Example, we have to subtract 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4. So minus 3 by 4 we can write like additive inverse of 3 by 4. So same way we have to follow, take the LCM of 3 by 4 and add the numerators. We can get the answer. Multiplication of rational numbers. The product of two rational numbers is defined like the product of their numerators by product of their denominators. While multiplying the rational numbers, simply we have to multiply the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Or we can solve by cancellation also if it is possible. Division of rational numbers. If a by b and c by d are two rational numbers such that c by d is not equals to 0, so we can divide it like a by b divided by c by d. So in the division process, we have to first convert division into multiplication and we have to do the reciprocal of the c by d. So the question converts to a by b into d by c. In division, we have to take care that in first step, we have to convert the divide sign to multiplication sign and do the reciprocal of the second rational number. Afterwards, cancel it out. We can get the answer. Let's recap. So today we learned about rational numbers on Venn diagram, types of rational numbers on real line, addition of rational numbers, subtraction of rational numbers, multiplication of rational numbers and division of rational numbers. Thank you.